I was stuck at 200 pounds for 2 straight years. I did everything that people told me to do. I ate less food and I moved more. Nothing worked at all. My belly stayed soft and my energy stayed dead. In this video, I will show you exactly how I dropped down to 158 pounds. I achieved this result while sitting at a regular 9-to-5 desk job. I did it with no running and no walking protocol. I did it with no gym membership and no suffering at all. I did it with zero exercise whatsoever. If you give me 3 minutes, I will show you the simple switch that finally let me outsmart my stubborn fat. But let me first explain exactly why the standard advice fails almost everyone who tries it. When you slash your calories, your body does not cheer and burn fat. Your body panics instead, and it slows your entire metabolism to match the new lower intake. You feel cold all the time, and you feel tired and foggy and irritated. That is not laziness at all. That is your body choosing survival over looking good in the mirror. And the just move more advice is also a complete lie. This cookie right here contains 600 calories. To burn it off, you would have to run for 1 hour. Think about 1 hour of sweating and gasping and pure misery just to cancel out one single snack. You cannot outrun your diet because the math simply does not work. But here is what actually does work for real results. After 2 years of spinning my wheels, I stopped eating less food. I started eating less often instead. That tiny distinction changes everything for most people. I ate my first meal at noon and my last meal at 6 in the evening. I ate nothing in between those 2 meals except for water. I had no snacks at all. This is not some crazy starvation trick at all. This approach is completely strategic. Here is the biology behind it. Every single time you eat, your insulin shoots up. Insulin is your body's storage hormone that tells your body to hold on to fat. When you snack all day, your insulin stays elevated. Your body never gets the green light to burn stored fat. By eating only 2 meals inside a tight 6-hour window, I kept insulin low for the other 18 hours. That gave my body permission to finally tap into my belly fat stores. It was like flipping a metabolic switch. Now the next piece that made everything click into place was building my meals the right way. Changing the timing alone was not enough by itself. I also made every single meal bulletproof. Every plate was loaded with plenty of protein and plenty of fiber. I ate chicken and eggs and beef and fish and vegetables. These foods actually fill you up for many hours. Protein and fiber crush your hunger hormones completely. I never felt that miserable starving feeling between my meals. There were no willpower battles at all. There was no suffering involved. I experienced only steady and quiet fat loss. And there was one final rule that made a massive difference in my results. I stopped drinking my calories completely. I had no smoothies and no juices and no sodas and no fancy coffee drinks. Liquid calories are invisible to your brain. You can drink 400 calories and still feel hungry 30 minutes later. That situation is a complete disaster for fat loss. I stuck only to water and black coffee and tea. That single change was shockingly powerful by itself. This approach is not complicated at all. Eat 2 solid high-protein and high-fiber meals between noon and 6 in the evening. Eat nothing else during the day. Try this method for the next 14 days. Track your weight and your energy levels. I promise you will be shocked at how fast the scale starts moving, without any exercise whatsoever. Drop your results in the comments after 2 weeks, because I read every single one. Now go try it starting today.